Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to hide section in Wix on mobile only. So for example, you can see I'm on my Wix editor page. I'll be showing you how to hide a section or an element. So let's say for example's sake, I would like to hide this video on mobile. So all you will need to do once on the editor page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on switch to mobile. So you're going to select the mobile icon. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the mobile version of your website. Once you have done that, you can select the section that you would like to hide. So for example's sake, you can see it right here. And as I said, I wanted to hide this video. So all I will need to do is select the section. Then you're going to tap right where you see more actions, or you can tap right here where you see the hide. And you're going to tap on hide section. Now that you have done that, you can see right there that the section has now been hidden on mobile. So if we were to preview the mobile version, so if you were to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, you can see how it looks right there, and you will realize that it does not show the video. But if we were to tap on the desktop icon in the top left hand corner, so if we were to preview the desktop version and scroll down, you'll realize that the video is visible. So that's it. That's how you'll be able to show an element or section on your website, your Wix website, on the desktop, and you will also be able to hide that element on section on the mobile version. Thanks for watching.